You have to find true InsurTech startups, because there are always a lot of startups around that don't work well. Some are fakes and some don't fit to your business. So you have to find the true startups. I will show you in the next slides how you identify them. How do we pick a true InsurTech startup? Well, true InsurTech startups have three main characteristics. Let me go through it. The first characteristic is they are working inside the insurance value chain. So it's a core insurance business. That's what I'm interested in, and that's what my company is interested in. Let me do an example. A startup that's helping you working on claims, that's core insurance business, that's good. A startup that is improving payment benefits for human resources, that's not really core insurance business, so that wouldn't be a good pick for our company, if we regard InsurTech startups. The second characteristic, the startups should work on tech-based solutions. So they bring some technology into our company that we could work together. Let me do an example. Identifying fraud in claims based on an artificial intelligence platform, that's a good technological-based solution. That would be interesting for us. Sending out detectives to identify fraud in claims, that's not tech-based, so that's not a good fit for us. So, and the third characteristic, true InsurTech startups are in a startup mode. Well, in simple words, they are a baby company and they need outside funding. They are not able to run the operations with their own money. They need to find a product that the customer is willing to pay for, and they have to be profitable. And of course, most InsurTech startups are still very baby stage and they are not profitable. So these are the three characteristics on true InsurTech startups. And if you take a list of InsurTechs and you ask them some questions, you will quickly identify who falls into this category or not. I brought to you two simple examples. So here's IBM. IBM is on the insurance value chain, yes. They have tech-based solution, of course, but they're a multi-billion-dollar company. They're no baby anymore. So they wouldn't be a startup, of course. So the second example is Clark. Clark is a German digital broker. So they sell insurance on the internet. So they are insurance value chain based, yes. They are tech-based solutions, yes, it's over the internet. In addition, they have some robo-advisory inside, and they need funding from outside, so they have several deals with their investors. And now they are profitable and grown up, but they are still a startup right now. So this is the first pick for you. If you have your list, now you have some sub parts of your list identified as true InsurTech startups. This is a template you can use to pick the right InsurTech startup, to collaborate, or to invest in. On the left side, you can see the picks 1, 2, 3, and on the right side, it's a diagram or a hierarchy, so you can put your list of, maybe you start with 60 startups, put it in the first pick, and then you identify based on the three characters, are these true InsurTech startups for me? So the list gets a little bit shorter. Then do the second pick, you can divide them into improvers and inventors. That's a strategic fit. So if your company wants to digitize what you have, then you should go to improvers. Inventors do new things, new products. So you have to decide if you go improvers or inventors. If you have enough people to work on, you can make two teams. You can go simultaneously. But if you start, I would choose one topic, one group. Okay, then the third pick, it's about what type of InsurTech will you work with, which one will you start working on your value chain with your operational activities. So the simplest thing is working with mediators, with digital brokers. You learn a lot with them. And we also at Baloise started working with digital brokers and then go ahead. So I jumped quickly into this topic, but it's very complicated. I would suggest you start from the left side, go to the right, and then everything is good. and your boss and your investors will be happy.